Now it's okay dear. Now it will come very easily. Now you can see here it is it's normally it came down actually. Now I have to remove only the bearing. Yes dear, that bearing already came out. This bearing size is 6201. Also I will remove other one also. Other one also came. Now we have to change both bearings. This bearing already damaged actually. It's too much noise coming. This bearing totally damaged. Now I have to change the bearing 6201. Yes, 6201. Yes dear, you can see here. This is NSK brand 6201 bearing. Now I'm going to replace this too. Now I'm going to fix this bearing. I'm using my adjustable. Oh dear. Yes dear, that one is okay. Other one also I have to fix. Yes my dear, this both bearing I already fixed. Now it's okay. And this is front. Also here also front. Now I can fix like that. Now it's okay my dear. Now finally I have to fit the screws here. Yes, it's okay. Now I fix screw here. Also right. Okay, now we will fix to the AC. Now you can see here this one front side, also this one front side is not changing. Now we will fix with the AC. Now I'm going to fix motor with the AC. Here I'm going to fix this lock here. Here it's okay, that lock already fixed. You can see here this one already came lock. Also other one I have to fix now. Until getting lock. Now it's okay. You can see here, dear friends. Now I have to fix fan blade here. Now it's okay. Now I have to tighten this nut properly. Also before tightening, I have to fix the condenser here, because we have to check it is now it's okay. Now we can check it is with the body touching or not. Blower, sorry, fan blade, it's not touching, my dear. Yes, we can tighten now. It's not touching. Now I have to tighten properly this one. Same socket, 5.5 milli. Yes dear, it is enough. Now you can see. Now finally I have to fix blower. Before fixing blower, I will fix this screw here. Yes, it is okay. Now I'm going to fix blower. Yes dear, that one also we have to check properly. I will fix this part also. If it is touching, we have to remove again because of that. Now I'm going to fix this part. It is actually very easy. Now it will come like that. Now it's okay. Now also we can check it is whether touching or not. I will fix this part also. It's a little bit touching, my dear. Because of that I have to take it a little bit forward. We have to take this hole up, also this angle. After that only we can tie it properly. Now it's okay. Now after fixing it's not touching. Now I can tie it properly. Yes, I tried properly. That is enough. Now it's okay. Now we can fix this one also. Now it's okay, dear. This side is also okay. Now I have to fix all the screws are here. You can see. I will fix all the screws now. Now it's okay. Also this side I have to fix. Now condenser also I have to fix. Okay. To give the wiring connection here, motor connection, I have to take here from here to there. Now it's okay. Now this is the starting wire here, the fan motor starter, also white. It is common wire, sorry, it is a running wire. Now dear, I'm going to give the connections for the from the selector switch. That's mean speed. This speed also with the compressor and brown. Also now it is okay. Connections are okay. Now I have to fix two screws are here down. Now it's okay, my dear. Now I'm going to fix selector knob. Also this one. Now it's okay. Now I will fix here mount. Okay. Now dear friends, I already fixed everything, but I have to clean the AC. Just I want to show you my job already completed. Here a little bit dust I have to service. After that it will be okay. Now I will check again. You can see, dear friends, it's working very smoothly. No any abnormal noise because I already replaced the bearing. Now you can see here rotation also okay, no any problem, not making any abnormal noise, not like before. Already fixed. You can see here it's making cool also, compressor also working, no any abnormal noise. After replacing bearing, it's running very smoothly. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.